In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable dark mode on Instagram for Android, iOS, and desktop so your feed looks easier on the eyes any time of day. Let's start with Android. Open the Instagram app on your phone, tap your profile picture in the bottom right to go to your profile. In the top right, tap the three horizontal lines to open the menu, then scroll down and tap Settings. Depending on your app version, you'll either see an option called Theme or you'll find it under Accessibility. Open that and select Dark to switch Instagram to a darker color scheme immediately. If your menus look slightly different, don't worry. Instagram updates can rename or move items, but the idea is the same. Find Settings, then Theme or Accessibility, and choose Dark. There's also a simple Android alternative if you prefer to control dark mode once for your whole phone. Go to your device's settings, open display, and turn on dark theme. When you enable system-wide dark mode, Instagram automatically follows that setting so you don't have to change anything inside the app. Now for iPhone or iPad, open the Settings app on your device, then tap Display and Brightness. Under Appearance, choose Dark to switch your entire device to dark mode. Instagram doesn't have its own independent dark mode toggle on iOS, so it will automatically follow whatever you set here. If you ever want to turn it off, just return to the same screen and choose Light. If you use Instagram in a desktop browser, there's dark mode there too. On Instagram's website, open the menu and look for the website settings. You'll find a dark mode option you can toggle on from that menu, making your browsing experience consistent across devices. Dark mode is more than a style choice. It can reduce eye strain in low light environments, and on OLED screens, it can help save battery by lighting fewer pixels. If you're not seeing the exact labels mentioned today, that's normal. Menu names can shift with updates, but the general path remains consistent. Open Settings, find the Appearance or Theme controls, and select Dark. And that's it. You now know how to enable dark mode on Instagram on Android, iOS, and desktop, and how to switch back to light if you prefer. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Instagram tips and tutorials.